Now we define the nanotechnology. Nanotechnology deal with particle size between 1 to 100 nanometers. So 1 nanometers is 1 billion of a meter. At this size, materials behave differently. Nanotechnology in electronics, the application it makes the material stronger and lighter. Nanotechnology improves the speed and efficiency of devices, and it helps in medical and environmental field. Nanotechnology also play a role in the medicines, like nanotechnology is used to treat the disease. It helps in the accurate drug delivery and it reduces the side effects of the medicines. The drug delivery is route that nanoparticles carry the directly to the affected cells. The healthy cells are not damaged and the treatments become more effective. There is also the cancer treatment that, like nanoparticles, target the cancer cells only. They destroy the tumors with precision, and this reduces the harm to the normal cell. Nanotechnology in cancer treatments are observed in this example. Nanotechnology in disease diagnosis, like nanosensors, detect the disease early. They identify the viruses and bacteria quickly, and early detection save the lives. Nanotechnology in electronics, like it is used to make the smaller electronic parts. The devices become faster and lighter, and power consumption is reduced. Nanotechnology in energy production, like nanotechnology improve the energy production. It increase the battery life and it helps in the save energy. Nanotechnology also used in solar energy, like nanoparticles absorb the more sunlight. The solar panels produce the more electricity and the renewable energy become cheaper. Nanotechnology in battery storage, like nanomaterials store the more energy and the battery charge faster and the fuel cells become more durable. Nanotechnology in pollution control, like nanotechnology help to reduce the pollution. It clean the air and the water and it protect the environment. Nanotechnology in filtration, like nanofilters remove the bacteria and the chemicals. They remove the salt and the heavy metals and they can drinking water is produced. Nanotechnology also help in the filtration techniques. Nanotechnology in agriculture, like nanofertilizer improve the plant growth, they reduce the fertilizer wastage and the crop production will be increased. Nanotechnology in food packaging, like nanotechnology improves the food packaging, the food safety is fresh for a longer time and the food quality is monitored. Nanotechnology in sports, like sports equipments use the nanomaterials, the bats, rackets and balls become stronger and the lighter and at least get better performance. Nanotechnology in the security, like the nanoscanners detect the explosive, they are used at airports and the security become more effective. Nanotechnology in defense, for example, nanosensors detect the chemical and the biological weapons. The nano-coated uniforms protect the soldiers and the weapons become lighter and the more accurate. Nanotechnology in the vaccines, for example, nanotechnology is used in the vaccines to make them safer and more effective. Tiny particles guide the nanoparticles protect the vaccines and help to deliver it directly to the immune cells. Thank you so much.